Hi, this is Panoramata, a platform that allows you to track your competitors' marketing strategies to gain real-time insights, create winning campaigns, and outperform your competitors so you can make better decisions faster. We're an all-in-one competitor strategy hub. Email, ads, landing pages, website changes, flows, SMS, SEO prices, catalogs, softwares. We've got you covered. You don't have to track your competitors manually anymore. If you subscribe to everything, you won't stay on top of anything. You won't even get your own strategic work done. Let us track your competitors for you, 20 times faster than it would take to gather this information yourself. It's super simple. Let me show you how it works. On your dashboard, you can track all your recent competitors' campaigns in a single place, get summaries of their latest launches or discounts, and access all the recent emails, ads, and landing pages. If you see a marketing asset that you like, you can save it and organize it into lists. And you can also create different groups of companies to track all in one place. You can easily benchmark yourself against your competitors and check how many campaigns they've published during any period of time. Analyze their discount strategy super easily so you can adjust your own as well. For all your competitors, you'll be able to access all their marketing campaigns. Within their content calendar, you'll see all their recent updates and you'll be able to search or summarize any month. You'll be able to access all their emails, flows, SMS, ads on Meta, Google, YouTube, Pinterest, TikTok, and LinkedIn, all their landing pages, advertising funnels, and any change they've been making on their website, and much more. There are also ways to find the right marketing inspiration every time. Our advanced searches are the most comprehensive marketing search engines available, featuring exclusive filters. Never struggle with ideation again. It's super easy. Find the best emails, ads, SMS, or landing page examples from top brands or your direct competitors, and elevate your own campaigns with proven ideas and designs. Even better, you'll get competitive insights so you can create your next winning campaigns, recommendations, and content ideas to outperform your competitors instantly and anticipate what they will be up to. All this at a price you can afford. Panoramata helps you achieve this like never before. See you there!